Okay, cow. Put cow. Where is the cow house?
Mana?
Where is the cow house? Wow, Kalika, good. Can you put well? Okay, nice. And then after cow, please take horse. No, Mama wants horse. Which one horse? Horse. Which one horse? No, please take horse. Horse. Yay, Kalika doing good. Yeah, just put well on it, yeah. Okay, let me help you. Wow. And then Mama wants sheep. Which one sheep? Yeah, please try the black sheep. Black sheep. Good girl, Kalika. Is it the house? Yay! I clap my hands for you, Kalika. No. No, three first. I want. No. Okay. Three. Where is the tree, please? Yeah. Is it the tree, please? Is it correct? Okay, Dad. No, I want dog. Where is the dog? Where is the dog? Yeah, what is it, Kalika? The dog. Dog. Di mana? Where is the house of the dog? Wow, nice. Is it duck? Say duck. Duck. Please say duck, Kalika. Bilang duck dulu. Duck, ya. And the hand with the cheek, ya. Wow, Kalika doing nice. Doing good. Yeah. Where is the lamb? Goat. Yeah. Good job. And the house. This is house. Yeah, house. Where is the pig? The pink pig. Where is the pink pig? Where did you put? Okay. Pink pig. I don't know, where is it? Where is the another part? What is the another part, Kalika? I think of this is not animal, right? No. Pink pig is on there. Okay, thank you. Where is another one? Where is the another one? Where is the another one? I have the another one. Here you are, Kalika. This one. This one. Yeah, one. Okay. Wow, clap your hand, Kalika. You done your puzzle. Clap your hand first. Clap your hand. Yay! Thank you. Say thank. Oh, you want more? Okay. We do one more round, yeah.